Hi, my name is Shwetank and I'm from Adobe Connect support team. Today I'll show you few features of Adobe Connect recordings which you might already aware of. Few of them are pause and resume recordings in a live meeting session, add chapters and bookmarks to recording index, add or delete recording events, hide name and pods of a recording, and share pod full screen in recordings. To start with, let's record a small session. We'll see how we can use few of these features during a live meeting session and rest of them when we have the recording with us. So let's go to one of my meeting room which is already open and I have a presentation in that. This is a recording, and first we'll start with pause and resume recording, which is a vital feature if you have a long session of meeting and if the host presenter needs some time to upload their presentation. This is a new feature which has been introduced in Adobe Connect 9 and it saves a lot of time to edit the recording if we have gaps in it. So we'll go to meetings and click on the option record meeting, and over here we can type the name of this meeting or we can give the name of this recording. So I've given the name recording underscore Shwetank. Now Connect 9 onwards, you'll see that you have two options over here: pause recording or stop recording. So that was not there in the previous version of Adobe, which is Adobe Connect 8. So it has been introduced with Adobe Connect 9. So now let's go and share one of the presentation which I have uploaded over here. It's regarding Adobe Presenter, so just a simple file, and we'll start the presentation. So we'll go through all the slides one by one, and it's going through all the slides. Slide number 7. Okay, now we'll do one thing. We'll click on this red button and we'll pause the recording. Now we pause the recording approximately around after 1 minute when you started the recording. Now it's going on, so let's stop sharing this and let's share a whiteboard. So let's draw something in this whiteboard. So now let's stop the sharing of the whiteboard and let's go back to the presentation. Now let's resume the recording and let's start it from here. We'll let the presentation play on its own till the 13th slide. It's about to finish. Okay, here we go. Now let's stop this recording and we'll go to the location where the recording has been created. Here we have. First we'll make this recording public. Now here we can see the advantage of pause and resume recording. As there's only one link and we do not have to edit the recording. Now we can click on this recording and see how the recording is loading. Now the recording is loading, and as per the working, we will not see the portion where we have shared the whiteboard, and as that part was paused, so we'll not see that part. So let's see how the recording is loading right now. Okay, here you go. So the length of the recording is almost 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Now it will load the presentation. And also the transition when you pause the recording and when you resume the recording, the transition is very smooth. So as an end user, I'll be not able to see when the recording was paused and when the recording was resumed, no matter even if I pause the recording for 1 hour. At that this time we started the click on the play option in the SharePod, and at this time we pause the recording. So you can see the moment I paused the recording for um, almost a minute, and I shared a whiteboard and I wrote test on that, but nothing appeared. It just went through the presentation without any problem. So that's how the pause and resume recording works. Thank you very much. Bye.